Alright, what it is, YouTube fam. Now today, I'm gonna show y'all what's life like driving a Mustang GT with the Corsa Xtreme Catback exhaust. Alright, so basically, this is gonna be a review of my exhaust. Now, I'm gonna just insert some clips of some cold starts that I did at, one at night, 3 o'clock in the morning, and another one like during an afternoon. So y'all get a feel, the way it starts and different temperatures and whatnot. But yeah, insert clip. Alright guys, it is about 3 o'clock in the morning, and here's the cold start. Like, I do that shit Monday through Friday at 3 a.m. in the morning. So I know they gotta hate me. Alright, here's a cold start in like 80-degree weather. I mean, this car was started about a few hours ago, but see how loud it is. So now y'all heard the cold starts. I'm gonna now do a couple rests for y'all. One cup with a 2000, cup with a 4.5, and then the last will probably be red line. So let's see how that sounds. Oh my God! That shit was loud. That shit, yeah. That last one went off. It was just, I had to do it. But yeah, that was the red line. Oh my God. How?
Ow, that hurt my ears.
You smell that?
Yes, I smell it. I smelled it.
It smells like eggs.
Oh God, that hurt my fucking ears.
It smells like eggs. I don't know if that's a good smell or not.
Excuse me.
And cut. All right, so now that y'all heard that magnificent freaking bald eagle screaming, he was scorching out there. So now I'm gonna record some drive-bys for y'all so y'all can hear what that sounds like when I'm pulling up on that ass, you know what I'm saying? When I'm pulling up to that car meet, when I'm pulling up to that starting line, you already know what I mean. All right, so just made it to Mexico. Now I'm gonna do these flybys for y'all. I'm gonna have Jackie.
Baby.
I'm gonna have the lady. Was that a Mustang? Oh, it was a Mustang. It was a Mustang, just like. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have her record some flybys. This is gonna be me going at wide open throttle. it's only gonna get loud when I get them headers on there. Whew, when I get them headers, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be too, like, oh my god. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Now, I know they already hate me now. From what y'all saw, I started my car at 3 o'clock in the morning. a.m. on a Monday. But yeah. So, all in all, you know, this exhaust for this car is very, very, very good. The only thing bad I can say about it is the price. It's a $1,400 exhaust. Looking back on it, you know, for real, I could have got something cheaper, but I like I like paying for quality parts. So there are some things I may buy used, but there's some things I just need to have new. I don't really like to have a lot of hand-me-downs to build my car. So that's basically it for this exhaust. Like I said, it's the Corsa Xtreme Catback. And I still had the stock headers on here, stock catalytic converters, them big fat ass stream beam cans. Yeah, got all that still on there. But you know, it's the Catback. Got a nice little snap crackle. I think I saw that. Anyways, yeah. But yeah, it's getting hot in here. Currently really ain't got the AC on, but I mean it's on, but it's on my feet. But hope y'all like the video. If y'all are interested in these videos, you know, you seem interested about the Mustang, you know, you just want to see what's going on with the build, then you might as well hit the subscribe button, because you know I got videos coming. I'm not daily uploading, but I'm somewhat putting out 3 to 4 videos a week for y'all. So hope y'all like it, hope y'all enjoy. Until then, stay